In the last episode you would have seen that I bought a crash damaged Volkswagen Polo from Copart. Now I didn't buy this car to repair, to sell, I bought it for my son as a surprise. This is his first car as he's learning to drive.
What are you talking of? Serious?
That's yours.
I mean, the front ain't the best, is it?
Do you like it?
Well, I like it. It's literally...
Safe to say he did actually like the car and he wanted to take it out for a spin straight away.
Don't kill me. Right, stop. I don't want to smash it anymore.
Obviously we need to fix the front end on it before we go anywhere.
I can't work stuff, mine, but it's not too bad. I need to stop saying it's not too bad. Yeah.
Welcome to part 2 of the Copart rebuild for my son's car. This is his first rebuild and ours together. So we're just going to get cracking straight into it and hopefully he can start doing a bit of work himself as well.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. So come on, let's go. Right, in your opinion, Thomas?
No, cut that. Not doing that. Cut that.
Why? That's your name? What's your name? Right, in your opinion, Tom, what would you think would be the best thing to do first?
Best thing to do first?
Yeah, to this car.
Well, the tyre's pretty flat, isn't it? I can't see S1 anyway. I would have traded it for that, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll do the tyre first.
Yeah, we've already pumped it up off camera because he took it for in the previous video. You would have seen him having a little go in it. We pumped it up just to check to see if it would hold air, and it has got a puncture and it's leaking air right on the outside edge there. So this is knackered, this tyre. So I think we've both agreed that the first thing to do is replace that wheel with the spare. And the reason why I'm using the spare is only to get the car up and running so we can move it around out of the way if I need to. So that is the plan for a minute. I'm not going to do that. Tom is. So he's never changed a wheel in his life. So this is going to be fun. So we're going to try and explain to him. I know it's something simple as a wheel, but if you've never done anything to a car before, it's going to be interesting to watch.
I can barely start the car there.
I know. So it'll be fine. Right, so the first thing we want to do is try and find the locking wheel nut. And we want to get all the spare stuff out of the boot. So we need the spare tyre. Do you want to use the jack that's in the back of the car? So it's if you've broken down, you've had a flat tyre, you'll know what to do at the side of the road.
Whatever doesn't make me look like an idiot.
I think that'll be better because it'll show a real scenario. Say like you've had a puncture on the side of the road. You won't have to phone mum or dad because you'll be able to change it yourself. The trouble is most cars don't come with a spare. So you could be screwed either way. But in this scenario, I think we're going to go for and use the jack that's in the car and do it as a real scenario on the side of the road. I think that'd be better because that'll teach him how to do it if he was stranded somewhere. So the first thing we're going to do is get the spare tyre and all the kit out of the back. We've already seen that we've got the locking wheel nut. Luckily enough, it's in the back of the car. So we're just going to get everything out of the boot now. Under there should be the spare wheel. There she is, boy. And look, we got the locking wheel nut. So take all this out. We're going to need that, so take that with you, right?
Right.
So take that around by the side, ready.
How do I go about picking it up?
You got to unscrew the centre cap in the middle there. Unscrew that. That's it, and then you should just pull it out. That's him. Is it pumped up?
Feels like it.
Yeah, lovely. I'll do for a spare anyway, just to get the car. It's brand new, that is, the original. You might want to stand on it.
No, I got the strength there. I'm gonna stand there.
That's it. Go on, it's okay. That's it, right. They're going to be really stiff because they haven't been off for a long time, look at it. Now, with car jacks, right, they can only go certain places underneath the car. They've got a strengthened part of the sill where you can jack it up. Otherwise, if you just jack it up anywhere, you can crush your sill, or you could go through underneath the body, okay, of the car. So we don't want to do that. Oh, you can imagine being on the side of the road like this, can't it? It's quite dangerous. Concentration on his rear spline. Check out under there.
It's literally a natural at doing this already, like.
Right, get ready for that wheel not to fall off. Right, if you can, put that slider wheel underneath the car now as well for extra protection. But not that way round because you scratch the alloy. Turn it around the other way. So stops the car from falling on you.
What should I do?
I'll do it. Lovely. Looking at these brakes, Tom, right? I'm not being funny. These discs are going to need to be replaced. The pad's not too bad, but we'll probably give them a good service because I think the back brakes are sticking on. And obviously we're going to clean it all up before we start doing a lot of work to it because it is filthy and we don't want to be getting all this over us on the garage floor. So the next thing we're going to do, buddy, is put the wheel on. So it's basically exactly what you just did, but the reverse. So you want to line our wheel up with the holes. So your best bet, sitting on your bum, and then try and hold the wheel in place then with your feet.
See there, max.
Yeah, maximum 50 miles an hour because of it's only a spare tyre. It's not designed to be on the car long term. It's basically there to get you to a nearest garage to fix your tyre.
Ah,
So you normally get slimline tyres, are really thin, and they're just designed to get you home basically, or to the nearest garage. So you do how you feel comfortable putting that wheel on, but just get ready with a screw or the bolt to go into the hole to hold it in place then, right? That's him. Perfect. Just try and hold it there with your feet if you can. That's it. You got him. That's it. Right, yeah. No, not that one. Go to the bottom one. Because it's opposite that one. That's it. That'll do. You don't want them too tight because you're taking it back off. That's it. Lovely.
Yeah.
There you go. You've repaired the car.
It's done now.
Right. We want to get that axle stand back out. Right. We're going to get that wheel out and then lower the car down.
Right.
Right, so that's your task. That's it, trick in there.
That's gone. There you are.
That's it. Sorted. That spare tyre could do with a little bit of air in it, I think, but we'll chuck some air in there now.
I thought I couldn't do anything like.
Well,
There you are.
unless you give it a try, you'll never know, will you? You've just changed your tyre. Now you can imagine being on the side of the road now, and that happens. At least you know roughly how to do it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was just a lesson in itself. I'm glad we went that way. Yeah, we chuck a little bit of air in this because it's quite low. But at least now we can move the car if we need to. There you are, pumping up now. What I am a bit disappointed with, and I didn't see because obviously pictures are terrible. That roof has got a few little dents in it. The Polo's got, that one has got the same. I don't know, must be a racer thing. Someone's obviously gone like that and banged the roof. So we're gonna have to try and push that out from the inside. I'm not really bothered. It is noticeable from certain angles. And it's the same inside, it's got some as well. So we're gonna have to try and push this roof out. It looks worse when the light is hitting it.
I think just someone at Copart doesn't like Polos.
No, I don't think it's Copart. Just some idiot to bang the roof there, haven't they? In a temper. That's him. There you are, that's at least now that tyre's off. So we can take it to be repaired and we can put the alloy back on. They have been curbed quite badly. So we might look at refurbishing them in time. Now 1.2 diesels, what I can make out, suffered with a lot of oil leaks, and this one's not, it's exactly the same. Now it's been leaking a long time because it's on the MOT history. I'm not bothered about that because they do suffer with them. It looks like it might be leaking from the oil filter housing there, and it might be leaking from the top up here. So we're going to do all that as well. That's my main concern, getting his engine running decent. Because like I said, it's going to be his car for a long time, so we want to make sure it's running nice. It's running nice now. So the body damage is nothing. It's the engine, getting that right it is. That's what we need to focus on, and getting the brakes done and things. So at least now the car is able to be moved around and we're not damaging our wheel. So I'm just at my local tyre place, Merthyr Tyres and Exhausts. Absolutely fantastic. Normally I get all my work done here. So this young boy now is just sorting out the Volkswagen Polo tyre for me.
That's too close, has he? It's right there.
Yeah. It's the next day and I've got
a tyre.
I've got a tyre.
We've got a tyre. Is that
Yes.
hard to say? Right. Do you wanna...
Why can't you say it then?
Why are you pointing at that camera?
Right, we've gone and got a new tyre for the car. It was £55 from Merthyr Tyres. Andrew is always pretty good. He always sorts us out, and it's in the back of the car. So Tom's going to get the tyre so we can put this new one back on and finish off basically this wheel.
Brand spanking new, boy.
So far so good, the car's coming along nicely. Tom's getting stuck in and we've just fitted the wheel and it's all back on nice. In the next one we're going to start working on the front end and get the front end of this car looking decent. We're going to try and get it all done in one episode, so it'll be a monster one, but we're going to try and strip down the front and have a look at the damage, and hopefully we got all the parts we need to get it back together. So I'll see you in the next one, and Tom will see you in a bit too.
In a bit, guys.
Come on. Tom, what are you doing?
Just capture your shit.
What are you doing?
Do your stuff. Quit.
You quit, you haven't done anything. Tom! What did this do?
What? Does everything have to be recorded?
In today's episode, guys, we're gonna...
I'm done. You just do it.